When you write programs or when you code, one of the things you do is you have to write strange characters. Because after all, you're creating code, you're creating special messages. So it's not just letters and numbers. What you have to do is it's worth to take a bit of time just to practice a little bit to know where those special characters are on a keyboard. So what I would ask you to do is go to monkeytype.com, and you'll see a link in the video as well, but it's just monkeytype.com, accept the cookies, and it's a neat little typing practice. You can see this text here, problem consider, and it's in gray, where you can start typing. And if you type the right characters, then it appears this way. But if I start typing wrong characters, then they appear in red, showing that something went wrong. So I have to go back and I have to write properly. So this will help you do some practice. Now, how will that help? Well, first of all, I want you to click on Custom. And you get a message like this. Please go ahead and do that. Go to MonkeyType, click Custom, and get a message that looks something like that. And come back, unpause the video when you're finished. Now click Change. And this actually allows you to put any text you want. And you can practice writing that text. So let's just say I'll write, this is my custom text. And I click OK. And now I can practice. This is my custom text. Whoops. Whoops. And I made a mistake. And it gives you some information. Now when you finish, just click on MonkeyType again. Click on Custom and change. And what I'm going to ask you to do is I'll give you a bunch of weird code, or well, weird text, but it's actually code that I would like you to type it, to put in here and try typing. At first, it's going to be frustrating, I know, but once you read it a couple of times, it will be much easier. So much easier for you long term. So what's going to happen is, in the comments of this video, you will see this text. And you can click on the comment. There's a little arrow to the right. And if you click that arrow, you get a nice little pop-up, and you can cut and copy and paste the text into here. If you have trouble and you can't get it working, don't worry, you can skip this part. But if it works, it will save you a bit of frustration. And once you put that text in, go ahead and pause the video, try to type this, and restart the video. The very first text we're going to do is this. This is HTML bold. And once we get into actual programming, this will make sense. So I'm going to try this. B, whoops. Look at that, I'm completely making a mistake. Oop. Here it is. I can click on MonkeyType and I'm there. So just FYI, this is a special character. It's a square open bracket, B, close open bracket. And in the very end, you have to make sure you put this slash. So go ahead and practice this now. Next, we'll practice this. And again, this will be in the comments. Another one. Another one. And again, if you struggle looking for the characters on the keyboard, that's okay. better now than later. So make sure you get this right and make sure you know what these characters are. Next one. Let's do one more. Oops. Okay. If you feel like it, and if this was taking you a little while, I would rewind and do this again. Again, doing it once or twice will very much help you later on.